The Platform Sutra of the Sixth Patriarch. 4. Meditation and Wisdom. The Master addressed the assembly. Good friends, the samadhi of the single practice is to always practice the single direct mind in all one's actions, whether walking, standing still, sitting, or lying down. The Vimalakirti Sutra says, "The straightforward mind is the place of enlightenment. The straightforward mind is the pure land." Don't allow your mental practices to become twisted while merely speaking of straightforwardness with your mouth. If you speak of the samadhi of the single practice with your mouth, you will not practice the straightforward mind. Just practice the straightforward mind and be without attachment within all the dharmas. The deluded person is attached to the characteristics of dharmas and grasps on to the samadhi of the single practice, merely saying that he always sits without moving and without falsely activating the mind, and that this is the samadhi of the single practice. To have an interpretation such as this is to be the same as an insentient object. This is rather to impede the causes and conditions of enlightenment. Good friends, one's enlightenment, one's way, Tao, must flow freely. How could it be stagnated? When the mind does not reside in the dharmas, one's enlightenment flows freely. For the mind to reside in the dharmas is called fettering oneself. If you say that always sitting without moving is it, then you're just like Shariputra meditating in the forest, for which he was scolded by Vimalakirti. Good friends, there are also those who teach meditation in terms of viewing the mind, contemplating tranquility, motionless, and non-activation. You are supposed to make an effort on the basis of these. These deluded people do not understand, and in their grasping become mixed up like all of you here. You should understand that such superficial teachings are greatly mistaken. The Master addressed the assembly. Good friends, the correct teaching is fundamentally without either sudden or gradual. It is human nature that is either clever or dull. Deluded people cultivate gradually, while enlightened people suddenly conform to the truth. If you recognize your own fundamental mind and see your own fundamental nature, there will be no such distinctions. Thus it is that sudden and gradual are posited as provisional names.